Hi, today at Grand Slam Collectibles, we're going to do a box break of the new James Bond 007 Archives box from Rittenhouse. There's 24 packs a box, 5 cards per pack. There's 2 relic cards and 2 autograph cards per box. Each box is numbered out of 6,000. Some really big signers in this product. Some pretty hot singles going online right now. So let's get to busting some packs here, see what we can get. Alright, first pack. Okay, got some base cards here. So they're done in the old 60s retro style Bond cards. Feels like we have a costume card in this pack here. Oh, very nice. Camille from Quantum of Solace. It's numbered out of 850. Piece of her dress. Nice card. Some more base cards there. In each box, it will give you enough cards you can complete the 66 card base set. So that's a nice thing that Rittenhouse does for collectors. We can all see where Dr. Evil came from. Making us hunt for the hits. That's what I like. So here's card number 1 of the set. Of course, got to be Connery in the first James Bond movie, Dr. No. Nice Halle Berry base card there. Too bad she didn't jump on board to be one of the signers. Here's one of the Quantum of Solace insert cards here. Tough pack. .007 glossy insert there. really hidden. Got that first hit in the very top pack. There's a Bond Villains card here. And like clockwork, the phone rings. Hang on a second. Okay, we're back. Okay. Another glossy there. It's one of the expansion sets here. It's card number 193. On the back, if you finish that expansion set, it pieced together to be Daniel Craig. It's over to the side there. Quantum of Solace insert card there. We got 3 hits to go. We're getting kind of low. Well, here's one. Let's save it. Glossy. Oh, here comes our relic card. Last one. Cool. General Medrano and Mr. Green from Quantum of Solace. Piece of camouflage uniform and a patterned shirt from Mr. Green there. Take a look at that. So number 005 of 825. Almost got that 007 numbering there. Alright. It's the last pack, so this should be another autograph. See how it works out here. It's a Paul Brook from Your Eyes Only. Not bad. And let's see. Oh, very nice. Very nice. And a little extra on there. Best wishes, Joe Don Baker. Very limited hit. Great pull. That was a fun box. That was a nice way to end it there with a nice Joe Don Baker. Need to check and see how many he actually signed best wishes Joe Don Baker on. That's a pretty cool card. Anyway. Okay, well I hope everyone enjoyed that box break. Count through the hits again. Of course we had the Paul Brook. He played Bunky and For Your Eyes Only. I had an autographed card of him. The General Medrano and Mr. Green dual costume card. Some good coloring on it. And of course Camille, the leading lady here from Quantum of Solace. And our big hit of the box. Very nice. Joe Don Baker. He played Jack Wade in Tomorrow Never Dies. Anyway, thanks for watching, and hope to see you again next time. Thank you.